Hello everyone, my name is Fornine Gamer. Welcome back to Rain World. We continue where we last left off, and where am I at exactly? Let me open up my little guide here. S8. Right. I still have Creature Rando turned on, so I just need to make my way from here and just go through here. I also changed the face back to normal. Also, I had a lot of glitches, and for some reason it counted towards me quitting. Why does my toe hurt? That was embarrassing. I forgot to turn off chaos. I've already started. Crud, I'm gonna have to deal with this. Okay, so I'm gonna wait till geographic issues go away before making a move. Yes, I know, Moon, you're down back at Shoreline, but I want to meet Five Pebbles first. I had it on with one of my friends, and I forgot to turn it off. So, yeah, this is my punishment. I can't believe that just happened. Don't mind me, Scavs, I'm just going this— whoa, that's a caramel! You know, I should probably just restart the cycle. Why do I have one karma? I had 9. Did I have 9? I don't think I did. Hold on. Karma 9. That's not what I want. Karma 5, I believe. It's Karma 4. I still don't know what coming through does. I don't think it does anything. But if someone knows what that effect does, let me know. Definitely after this video, I will turn off chaos. And continue my playthrough with enemy rando turned on. From all the things I forget to turn off, Chaos Rando is one. Also, I don't think we'll be encountering any Muros birds. Please don't slash TP. It's Kill Squad. I think they spawned further away. They literally spawned from where I'm at. That was close. I don't want to tick off the scavengers more than the Chaos Rando has already done. And I am idiot for not turning that off. I'm gonna make my way to another save. Turn that off. So the creatures just got shuffled. Not like it matters because I'm planning on making my way to a shelter. Okay, I got the absolute worst RNG in my entire life. Slash teleport. Okay. That's, fine-ish. I still need to get to a shelter. I did hear footsteps. As long as I don't hear a loud hiss. That's a train lizard. Right in the middle of my path. Oh! Yeah. I'm gonna turn off chaos mode. So I know that was a short one, but I am an idiot for not double checking my mods. Gosh.
It is also a world record because I have 4 extremes left and I'm done. Or rather, I move on to the chaos sections. I want to see if we can knock out the extreme mode for Hedge Maze. Fun fact, I was the very